Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can apply the formula in here. That is about 1 over b minus a, and we have the integration from a to b, and we have the function in here. So b, that is about number 6, a, that is about number 0 in here, and we have the integration from 0 to number 6, and we put this one go in here. Now we need to calculate this one. This one we have 1 over 6. So we have the formula in here. Now the integration of s squared, we have s to the power of 3 over 3. So I will put number 2 go in here. So we have 2 plus 1, we have number 3 and number 3 in here. This one, that is about number 1. So 1 plus 1, we have number 2. And then we can put the bounds from 0 to number 6. And now we have the final answer. So I will put number 6 go in here. Number 0 go in here. So we have the final answer, and that is about 21. This is the end. Thank you for watching.